Hey, what's going on? Coach D here, and welcome back to our Tai Chi 24 form movement breakdowns. We finished our last video, which was about our halfway point, with Pat High Horse. Now we're transitioning into big circle cross with kick right foot, and then bees buzz ears. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, welcome back. So in our last video, we finished with Pat High Horse, where we're in a cat stance with our left foot forward, right leg back. Most of our weight is on our back foot. So from here, we are transitioning into our next move, which is big circle cross with kick, right foot. So we're going to take a step, empty step forward, left foot. Bring the hands across. Shift the weight into a bow stance, pull the hands apart. Bring the right foot to meet the left foot, toe down, heel up. Gather, bringing the knee up, cross the hands. Then extend the right leg with the foot flexed. To our next movement, from big circle cross with kick, is bees buzz ears, or twin peaks. So we extend our right leg here, empty step, we're sinking down. As we do, we brush the knee and clear at the knee, over the thigh. We clear. From here, we're going to shift our weight forward into a forward bow stance with the right leg, and we're going to grab and gather with both hands and circle outward and upward in an arc. Outward and upward into an arc as we move into the bow stance. Then we make fists at the end, knuckles hitting at the temple. So again, empty step, bow stance. Bring the leg in, circle cross, right knee up. The foot is flexed, then extend, and then empty step right foot, heel down, brushing through the knee. Right bow stance, arcing motions of both arms, bees buzz ears. Thank you guys for watching. That has been Pat High Horse into big circle cross with kick and bees buzz ears. Our next video will be turning circle cross with kick, kick with left foot. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.